a hip stretch seated. Okay, what I mean by that, if I've seen this on TikTok or Instabook or Facegrab, one of those places. You want to cross your leg over, okay? Cross your leg over like this. You can see it here. From here you want to do is now bring your knee toward your opposite shoulder. Coming up here, where do you feel that tightness? If you feel it here, that's exactly your hip area that helps you walk, helps you do lunges, helps your hips stay in the whole time, this way. Hold that for 15-20 seconds on that side, and then switch sides. See which side feels tighter. Oh, I did some good lunges yesterday. That was fun. I'm feeling them now. All right. And this time, you always want to do this in a chair also. The chair allows you to stay upright more too, so you're here, not leaning back like this. Stay up the whole time. And hold that. I would put the knee, if you can, again, everyone's different. Put your ankle more on top of your knee, then pull across the opposite shoulder. Does that feel good? Does that hurt anyone?
Yes.
Fantastic, good. If it's sore, fantastic. You got to keep doing it. 15-20 seconds, both sides, just once. Make things want to loosen up. Because again, we're walking all day long. You walk, you walk, you walk. It gets tighter and tighter and tighter. So like this stretch, even before you walk.